Hi guys, I'm Dr. Fuchs. I'm a podiatric physician and surgeon here in Palm Beach County, and I'm here with Alyson Limehouse,
founder of Rollology Fitness, and we're here to talk about socks and working out. There's different types of socks. We tend to use here love tuckets and toe socks because they cut out the toes. And Dr. Suze Heels, is going to tell us why some socks are better than others, or not.
So I would normally say for Pilates, yoga, for you to be barefoot, because being barefoot helps with proprioception. You can really feel the pose with balance, and just you have a lot more freedom, obviously, with your toes. If you have to wear some sort of socks because the studio, you feel like it's too cold, you feel like it might be a little bit gross to walk around barefoot, I do suggest socks with the toes cut out. So we really like something called tuckets. Tuckets is a sock sort of like this. This is from yoga, toe socks. It's a yoga type sock. And tuckets are a sock where it is covering your big toe, but your other toes, your second, third, fourth, and fifth toes are actually completely open. The toe socks, however, has a space in between all of the toes. So they do hold your toes in a good position. However, the tuckets I just like slightly better because all of your toes are completely cut out and you have more freedom, more motion of each individual toe.
Now, why would you want people to go barefoot and risk getting gangrene or whatever?
Most of the time, gangrene is a
fungus.
Yeah.
I think there's a fear factor going on with running around barefoot.
Usually, the things that could happen in a yoga studio, especially if it's a lot of moisture, it would be fungus or plantar warts. Maybe you can pick up some sort of bacterial infection, but it's much better just to make sure you're in a nice clean studio, your mat is clean, and that you go barefoot, because that's going to help a lot with balance and what we call proprioception, or where your feet are in space and time. So proprioception helps you a lot with over time with building intrinsic strength in your feet and your ankles. Helps you balance even if your eyes are closed, prevent falling and tripping, ankle sprains and things like that.
And with Pilates, you tend to grip the bar with your feet. So just make sure the equipment's clean, and you can even wipe it down yourself.
Yeah, just make sure everything's clean. You don't want to be in an area where you don't feel comfortable anyway. So it is definitely, it's okay to wear socks like the toe socks or the tuckets, but I prefer, and I'm sure you do too, people to be completely barefoot.
I actually like it with the raw, no socks, or either the tuckets or the toe socks with the no toes, with Rollology class, because we do a lot of pointing and flexing, and you can't really, I don't know, it looks really funky in the sock and kind of confining, and it doesn't seem like they can get the full flexion or the full extension of the foot without, it just looks a little constricted, and then I can't see where their toes are. I can't see if they have a bunion, or if they have hammer toe or anything's overlapping.
Yeah, and even with the toe socks and the tuckets, the big toe joint, they both have the big toe joint fully covered, so you can really see the alignment of the big toe joint, and to see with the toe bands that we'll talk about a little bit later, if if the client or patient is actually using it correctly. Right? It's hard to even use the toe bands.
Yeah. Oh, but yeah.
You can
with the ones cut out, but it's harder. Yeah. I like, but I know there's some days where it's a little chilly out, or they're like wanting to look a little fashionable, because they're cute. There's some cute ones.
Yeah, they are cute.
Okay. Well, I think that covers socks.
Socks or no socks.
Socks or no socks.
But I always prefer no socks.
No socks are best, but when you do, love tuckets or toe socks or anything that doesn't